What's up, YouTube? So I'm starting here because I got to take it back to the beginning. This tree just gave up on us. And we always had plans on removing this tree because the roots was growing underneath this sidewalk and that caused it to push up the sidewalk. And it was never aesthetically pleasing. And it also was a trip hazard. But that was always tomorrow's problem. But tomorrow has finally arrived. So we got our shovels and gave ourselves a whole lot of motivational speeches and got to digging. Keep in mind, this is not a tutorial, none whatsoever. I just wanted to share my journey on DIYing my way through our home. We work regular jobs and have no experience whatsoever, but we did have the energy and the mindset that we was going to get this done, and so we did. But since I had some roots that was exposed, I started by digging around it so I could see just exactly what I was getting myself into. One thing I learned quickly was not to underestimate the length roots can be underground. I never thought I'd see the end. Now, this root had so much moisture in them that I was able to take a shovel and just pry it up and pull. This other one was solid, so I had to stop, go buy a hatchet in order to get this one to break so that I can pry it up. When we finally made it to the stump, at first it was soft and we was able to just dig the pieces out with our shovel. But as you can see, we hit some solid pieces and decided that we were going to have to try to dig around it so that we can remove it that way. You're going through the tree. You gotta try to go underneath it. You just And then when we were finally able to see that root that was pushing up the sidewalk all this time, I knew it was time to cue in the happy dance because that means we finally saw the light at the end of the tunnel. But we do plan on doing a dry pour to replace the concrete pavers that we removed since some things were super heavy. So make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're interested in seeing how we completed our sidewalk.